In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward emails to a Google Workspace group in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline communication or simply ensure that important emails don't get lost among the noise, this guide will help you set up email forwarding quickly and efficiently. To start off, navigate to Google Workspace. This is the primary platform where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the admin console and give it a click. You'll want to log in using your business email. Yes, make sure it's your business email since the admin console is only accessible through accounts with administrative privileges. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice the Google Apps menu. Click on it and from the drop down menu that appears, find and select the admin icon. This is your gateway to access all Google services for your organization. Now focus on locating and selecting apps. This opens a list of Google services available through your workspace. Now click on Google Workspace in the list. This will direct you to another list of services specifically offered by Google Workspace. Find Gmail from the options provided and select it. This takes you to Gmail specific settings. Here, what you need to do is click on routing. Routing is crucial because it determines how emails are directed within your organization. In routing, you'll want to go to email forwarding, click on email forwarding to access its settings. You'll see an option that says configure, click that. This opens up a menu where you can set the forwarding rules. Next, click on add. Here you will first type in the primary email from which you want emails to be forwarded. It's essentially the source email address. Once you've done that, move on to the next field and type in the map to email address. This is the destination email address, or in this case the Google Workspace group where you want the emails to be automatically forwarded. Having entered both email addresses, go ahead and click on add to finalize the rule. Double check that everything is correct because these addresses are crucial for successful forwarding. Finally, click on save to apply all the settings. And there you have it. Now all incoming emails to the primary email address will automatically be forwarded to your specified group. A simple yet powerful way to ensure important communications are not missed. Setting this up enables your team to receive timely and organized communication, whether for projects, newsletters, or notifications, all routed directly to your dedicated group. Remember, this entire process is about simplifying and enhancing the way you manage organizational resources through Google Workspace. If you have any queries or run into issues, be sure to consult Google's extensive online support for further assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your communication workflow.